Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video. I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up DLHUB and other related software and tool. First, browse to anscenter.com. After logging in, go to download page and download the latest version of DLHUB. Then, unzip the package and install the software. You can choose your own installation directory or leave it as default. But to make sure all related software and tool can be operated stably, default directory is recommended. Now, just follow the instruction to finish the installation. After that, restart your computer. And we have finished installing DLHUB. You can train your model using DLHUB as many times as you want. But in order to export the trained model and deploy it to other applications, what you need to do is to get the license for the type of programming language you want to deploy. With each license comes with its own API call so you can interact with your AI system. In this course, I will demonstrate the process to you using LabVIEW license. First, go to anscenter website, in shop page. Click and purchase DLHUB LabVIEW. After purchasing, go to your portal page to check your license. So, the license has been activated. Now you can open DLHUB using your account. The software will need to download some pre-trained models. These models will be used to utilize the transfer learning method that DLHUB supports to fasten the training process. Now you have completed setting up DLHUB and can use it to train as well as deploy your model to LabVIEW applications. In the next tutorial videos, I will show you each function of DLHUB and how you can train your deep learning model. Thank you for watching.